Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I do apologize, I am posting a little bit earlier than normal today. But in today's video, we have some non-phone customer support jobs. We even have some night shift jobs. We have data entry. Hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. Most of the jobs that I'm sharing are not going to require any kind of college degree. And pay goes up to $75,000 a year, which is $1,442 a week. So of course we'll dive right on in. All the extra information you may need, links to get to these pages to put applications in, timestamps, all the things can be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, looking through all of the job boards so that you don't have to, weeding out all the scams and trying to find the best remote work from home jobs and sharing them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out on any upcoming jobs, please make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. But first up, we have the company Underdog Fantasy hiring. They have 60 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. Now, Underdog Fantasy is looking for a customer support lead for their night shift. This is remote for the United States. It doesn't look like they have any state restrictions. Underdog Fantasy is a sports betting platform, and they're really looking for somebody to kind of supervise and mentor their team of customer support agents. So you are going to kind of review the work that they're doing, conduct regular one-on-one meetings and sessions with them, providing any feedback and support to them on how they could provide better customer service. You're just there to kind of oversee the day-to-day operations of that customer support team, working with different managers to optimize the workflows, the tools, and the platforms that are used for the customer service team so that they can provide the best customer support. So you are going to do the onboarding and training sessions for new hires, making sure that all the customer support agents are equipped with the knowledge and tools that they need to do the job. And of course, you'll run reports and deliver regular reporting on the performance and customer satisfaction metrics. You will serve as the point of contact for any highly escalated priority tickets, but above that, they are really looking for somebody to work that night shift, 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll kind of have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They don't require any kind of college degree. However, they do want somebody who's 3 years of customer support experience with at least 1 year in a leadership role, and that does not have to mean supervisor. If you've ever been a team lead or something before, of course, you've got to have great leadership skills, great communication skills, and an analytical mindset. But pay for this position is very good. It's anywhere from $64,000 a year up to $75,000 a year. Again, that $75,000 a year is going to be $1,442 a week. Moving on along, we have the company Minted hiring. They have 399 reviews with an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a seasonal print quality specialist. So you're going to be reviewing a lot of documentation with this job. It is remote, but please note they only hire in certain states at this time. The states are listed at the very top. They are looking for somebody to start kind of coming up in October and working through December. So this is going to be a temporary role. And Minted is looking for somebody to research and thoroughly document their replacement order root causes in the system. So you're really proofreading and editing design files to fulfill customer orders in service, both productive and quality expectations. So Minted is basically a design platform where people can submit their designs and have them printed on different things. And of course, you don't want these items, whether it be t-shirts, hats, keychains, bags, anything like that, brochures. You don't want them to be printed with errors. So you are really there to proofread and edit the customer's design when it's submitted, making sure that it is all correct before the printing process starts. So you're going to reference different resources to determine the best solution for customers, and you are going to work with these customers over email to design and replace their original orders. So you are just there to troubleshoot technical design and print errors. Now, they are looking for somebody who has great communication skills, who can problem solve and think critically. They're really wanting somebody who knows how to use those online platforms that are used for design, like Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, different things like that, and somebody who can learn new things quickly. Now, pay is a straight $20 an hour, no matter your location. If you're looking to do non-phone customer support through like digital channels, email, social media messages, things like that, Openly Insurance is hiring. They have 55 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience support processor. Again, this is remote for the United States. And of course, Openly is an insurance company, but they are really looking for somebody to triage and review their service request that comes in through these digital communications channels. You're going to process the customer support request through like a Zendesk, a ticketing system when processing transactions. Some of the things you'll be doing is updating and maintaining their customer records in the database, making sure they're up to date with accurate information, correcting names, addresses, all of that kind of thing. You will assist with identifying and escalating any potential issues that hinder customer success with their insurance products. Just engage in learning and bringing a positive attitude to their customer service team. But of course, all customer service is going to be done through these non-phone channels. You're just helping these customers with their insurance products. Now, they're looking for somebody who has at least 1 year of customer service experience and somebody who's experienced using those online ticketing platforms like Zendesk. They want somebody who can be adaptive, and somebody who has technical proficiency. You can kind of use different computer systems like Google Suite, somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment and the ability to work independently and solve problems. Now, pay for this position, they have their target salary range kind of listed as $33,280 a year up to $39,520 a year. However, their full salary range goes up to $52,000 a year, which would be $1,000 a week. They're really looking, it looks like, to start somebody in that target salary range. But of course, if you have a lot of experience in customer service and stuff, please make sure you're always negotiating your salary if you get a job offer. Now, next up, we have the company Conduent hiring. Conduent hires a lot for data entry, and that is what we have today. They have 10,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry associate, and when you look, it says this job's available in 2 locations. When you click see all, it does say remote US, United States. It does not look like this one has any state restrictions. Now, they often hire without very much experience at all, so their pay is not the greatest, but it is $14 an hour. They are going to train you. They are training Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. But then after you get through the first 6 weeks of training, there are 2 different shifts they're hiring for, so you probably have an option of shifts. They have a first shift of 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then they have a second shift of 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Friday, and they will require some overtime and Saturdays work occasionally. But it does say over here on the side, as a data entry associate, you'll provide document review and just data entry support to their clients. So you are basically just looking at a source document, whether it be a PDF file. You are getting data and information out of that file and entering it into their computer system, just double checking everything, making sure it is error-free and the information has been entered into the system correctly, and gathering any missing information that you need. They don't require really any experience. You've got to be able to pass a typing test of at least 45 words per minute, be 18 years or older, have a high school diploma or GED, be eligible to work into the United States, and they will make you pass a background check for this one. Moving on along, though, we have Wiley hiring. Now, Wiley is like an education company. I've seen like different textbooks and things from them in the past. They have 2,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer relations specialist, again, remote, United States. And so this one is going to require some phone work. What you're going to be doing is kind of educating and supporting their prospects for customers, maybe education centers, different things that are looking for their products and services through calls and emails. And you're really going to be in the moment problem solving, supporting for their education, for their tools, technology that they have, working alongside your dedicated team, just supporting the marketing and web efforts where needed. So you are basically customers or prospective customers. You are basically educating them on what Wiley has to offer, how it can help them, things like that, and trying to get them to come on board and be a loyal customer. They are looking for somebody who is emotionally intelligent, who is a curious learner, passion for working with people, passion for that education space. You do have customer service skills and great problem solving skills. Now, while it says they prefer a 4-year degree, it is not required. And pay for this one is anywhere from $38,200 a year up to $50,867 a year, depending on things like your location and experience. And last but not least, we have Coinbase hiring. Now, Coinbase is in the crypto space. I don't normally share a lot of crypto job opportunities because I don't really feel like this industry has grown enough to be a steady source of employment. A lot of crypto companies are here today, gone tomorrow, but Coinbase is one of the only companies that have proven themselves over the years. They are also now a public company. They're listed where you can buy their stock on like the New York Stock Exchange. So they have a lot of financial backing behind them. So I just thought I would share because they do pay extremely well. They have 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an executive escalation support agent. So what this means is you are really going to be responsible for the day-to-day operations of the community escalations management program. You're going to have to investigate, troubleshoot, and resolve any Coinbase customer issues across multiple channels. I don't know if they have a phone channel, but you'll definitely be doing like email, online chat, ticketing systems, social media, things like that. You will communicate internally with the stakeholders, just serving as that escalation point. So you are really solving all of those customer issues that come in through the escalation point. You might have to work with different departments like the legal team, but you are just going to be the voice of the customer, taking in any feedback and escalating that up to the higher managers as needed. So you are really there to address those critical customer issues. This is like an escalated second point of contact customer service. It is not going to be their first point of contact. Now, they are looking for somebody who is interested in like crypto, NFTs, things like that. They want somebody who is experienced using customer relationship tools like Salesforce, Zendesk, things like that. You've got to be able to work Saturdays and Sundays. They want you to be able to work both days, so you've got to work some weekends. But other than that, they're looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer service experience, specifically in escalated customer service, of course, great communication skills, and somebody who can read, write, and speak English very clearly. No college degree is needed for this one, though. And their pay starts at $80,750 a year and goes up to $95,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.